Hi students, today we are going to learn the book back exercise of the lesson 10, the Habitat Song. Okay, it is a poem. Already we learned that poem. I hope you all learned that poem, right? Yes. Now we are moving to listening and speaking junction. Now take your book, page number 92. Listening and speaking junction. See, I am going to read one. You want to just listen and you want to answer these questions. Okay? Yes. See, my favorite animal is the elephant. I like it because it is big in size. It has a long trunk and a huge ears. It has a cute face and a small tail. It is grey in color. Grey is my favorite color. Okay, I now read this listening and speaking junction. If you have any doubt in this, means you can just clarify this page number 124. Yes, that the Habitat Song, that listening and speaking junction is there. So through that you can fill this. This is your homework. Okay. Yes. Now let me move to the vocabulary junction. Page number 92 in the same page. Yes, read these lines from the poem. We are aerial animals. We fly, we glide, we soar. See, these, yes, aerial animals. What are aerial animals? Yes, it can fly. So, it is a bat. Yes, bat, vulture, eagle, crow, parrot. These are the aerial animals. Yes, see, the word fly and soar. See, fly. Fly also the same meaning. And soar. Soar also has the same meaning. Fly and soar have the same meaning. Words that have the same meaning are called synonyms. Yes, already we know about synonyms and antonyms. Every lesson we are learning synonyms and antonyms, right? Yes. So, we are going to learn about synonyms. Okay. Okay, what is mean by synonyms? Synonyms means it gives the same meaning. Okay, have the same meaning. Words that have the same meaning are called synonyms. Now take page number 93. Example. See the example: jungle and forest. Jungle also the forest. Forest also forest. Rendume kaadu dhaan. Okay. Next tiny. Tiny means it is small. And see another one, small. So both is the same meaning. Both has the same meaning. Okay. Now read these lines from the poem. We are arboreal animals. We have very strong limbs. Okay. See, arboreal animal. Arboreal animal means it is, yes, it is live in the tree, live on the tree, right? So it is arboreal animals. So see here we have very strong limbs. Strong. See the dark word, strong. Do you know the opposite of strong? Yes, it is weak. We know, right? Yes. The words strong and weak have opposite meanings. Words with opposite meanings are called antonyms. Already we learned, right? Yes. Synonyms and antonyms. Okay, synonyms and antonyms. We are going to learn about synonyms and antonyms. What is mean by synonyms? Synonym means it has the same meaning. Antonym means it has the opposite meaning. Okay, it is synonym and antonym. See the picture. First line I can tell you, and the remaining two line is your homework. See that flowers. Okay, color the flowers containing antonyms red. For the antonyms, you want to give the red color. Okay. For the antonyms, you want to give the red color. And the flowers containing synonyms. For the synonyms, you want to give the green color. Okay. Take your crayons. Be ready. Okay. First one. Pretty, beautiful. See, pretty means alaha irukkiradhu, beautiful. It also same meaning. So, it is synonyms. For first one, you want to shade with, yes, green color because it is synonyms. Okay, next one. Sunny, cloudy. See, sunny. Sunny means veil, hot. It is too hot. Okay. Next, cloudy. Cloud means it is going to rain. So, see, both are opposite. Opposite means we want to give, yes, antonyms. Opposite means antonyms. It is, you want to give red color. Okay, first one green, second one red. And next third one happy, sad. Happy means we are just joy. Okay, and sad means we are very sad. So it is just opposite. So it is antonym. So we want to give red color. Okay, remaining 2 row is your homework. Okay, next one, take page number 94. Yes, take the synonyms of the underlined words. For the underlined words we want to give the synonyms. Synonyms means we know it has the same meaning. See first one, what is the underlined word? Gift. Gift means it is a we are giving something to others. Yes, it is present. So tick the word present. And second one, ill. Ill means, what is the meaning for ill? Ill means odam seriyalama irukku. So which is the answer? Healthy means we are very good in health. Care means we are good in health. And also sick. Sick means it is ill. Odam seriyala. Okay, next third one, small. Small already now only we know. Now only we learn. Small means tiny. Next one, speaks. Speaks means we are speaking, right? Speech means it is a speech. In the Independence Day one is give the speech. Okay, speech means pechu kodukkuradhu. Okay ba? So it is not. Share means we are sharing something. Okay, talks. Yes, speak also, talk also, both are same meaning. So talk, answer is talk. Next, fifth one, picture. Picture means it is a photo, right? Yes, so photograph. Yes, photograph. Okay, next one, rewrite the sentences by replacing the underlined words with the antonyms. Okay, here one word is given. For that word we want to, from the box we want to choose the antonyms. Okay, see first one, quickly. Quickly means, what is the opposite for this? What is the antonyms for this quickly? Yes, you want to strike out that quickly. Then you want to give, yes, quick na fast up pandrathu. Opposite is slowly. Quickly, slowly. Next is second one, rich. Rich means it is well in money, right? So rich means opposite is poor. So you want to strike out the rich, you want to give the answer poor. Next, the third one, love. Love means love we want to give, and you want to strike out the love and give hates. Love mean anbu. Okay, hate mean verupu. So it is the opposite. Okay, next one, last. See, last. Last means, what is the opposite for last? It is first. It is very easy, right? Yes, next fifth one, sad. Already we know sad means happy. You want to strike out the word sad and you want to give the word happy. Okay, now listen carefully. I am going to give you homework. Now take page number 95. Here are a few words. Some words are given here. Find one synonym and one antonym for each. Which means, if one word is given means, for one word you want to give both synonym and antonym. Synonym சொல்லணும், antonym சொல்லணும். Synonym means same meaning, antonym means opposite meaning. ரெண்டுமே கொடுக்கணும். Okay, see, and make sentence with them. Make sentence with them means what you have find. What is the synonym word? For that word you want to give a sentence. What is the antonym word? For that word you want to give the sentence. Okay, one I am going to do for you. Yes, first one is pretty. See, pretty is given here, right? What is the synonyms for pretty? Yes, it is beautiful. Yes, beautiful. Okay, and what is the antonyms for this beautiful? Ugly. See, beautiful, ugly. See, synonyms also I have given and antonyms also I have given. So for this synonyms, okay, for this beautiful I want to frame a sentence. Okay, next for this ugly I want to frame a sentence. Okay, see, pretty is given here. You want to write the synonym and also the antonyms. Okay, synonyms and antonyms. For this synonym, for not for this, for this. Okay, idukku kedaiyadhu idukku. This synonyms and this antonyms you want to give each sentence. For this beautiful, yes, Rama is a beautiful girl. Yes, for this ugly, the dishes are so ugly. The dishes are ugly. Okay, so for both you want to give sentences. Each sentence, one sentence. Okay, okay, next one let me see. Fast. Fast means, what is the synonyms for fast? Quick. Yes, and the opposite for quick is slow. Yes, for this quick and slow you want to frame the sentence. Okay, next one is help. Help means, what is the synonym for help? Support. Yes, support. Next, what is the antonyms for help? Yes, help means, synonym is support. Antonym is hinder. Okay, hinder. Okay, next one. Near. Near means pakkathula, close. So opposite, antonym is far. Okay, for this close and far you want to give the sentence. Next, rich means wealth. Yes, wealthy. So antonyms for wealthy is poor. For wealthy and poor you want to give the sentence. Okay, if you now try now means it is easy to write in the exam. Okay, so just try now. Next, phonic junction. Phonic junction. Read these lines from the poem. See, we could be super sloths because the best burrows we build. See, burrows. O sound is here. Burrows. Now read these lines from the poem. We could be superheroes. Such unique scapes we wear. In the words burrows and superheroes. See both words. See the word burrows, superheroes. See burrows. B-U-R-R-O-W-S. Burrows. Superheroes. Okay, burrows. Superheroes. See O. Okay, here O. These both have the same sound. O sound. See, both have the same sound like no. நோங்கிற வேர்டுக்கு எப்படி சவுண்ட் வருதோ அதே மாதிரி தான் இங்கேயும் ஓ ஓ. See, same sound is here. See, in the words burrows and superheroes, O and O are pronounced the same way. Yes. In the words burrows and superheroes, O are pronounced in the same way. Let us look at a few more words with O that sound the same. Okay, these both can frame the sound with the same sound. O. See, all comes under O sound. Okay, burrow, superhero, O sound here coming. Okay, see. Now let me read that blue box. Low, row, slow, foe, canoe, do. See, all coming the O sound. Okay. Okay. Here are a few more words. Underline the letters that have the same sound. Okay. We want to underline the word. What are the words are given here? First one, elbow. Second one, row. Third one, low. Next, fourth one, toe. And next, fifth one, bow. Sixth one, goes. And seventh one, below. So for this you are just going to underline the O sound. Okay, see, elbow, O sound is here. Next, see, row, O, this sound. Okay, this one, first one is this, second one is this. All have the same sound. Okay, next, low, toe. You want to underline in your book. Okay, next, bow, go, O, below, O. Okay, these are the sounds given here. Okay, now your homework is learn and write the synonyms in this poem. Okay, learn and write the synonyms. And also another homework is that the flower I give, right? Page number 93. First row I have completed. Remaining 2 row is your homework. And also listening and speaking junction in page number 92. listening and speaking junction, one homework. Next second one is this flower, and third homework is synonyms. Learn and write the synonyms. And fourth one is page number 95, that pretty. Pretty means beautiful, ugly. For those two words, for each word you want to give the sentence. Okay, it is very easy. All the homework is very easy. You are only going to learn and write the synonyms. These are very easy homework. Okay students, I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you students.